Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to talk about how to use Canva AI image generator in this video, and it will be a beginner level video. I hope you will find out this video will be helpful for you. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. First of all, in the Canva you will find out by default music media, where you can easily generate AI images. So here you need to be write some prompt like I can say a girl who are going for school, and then click on generate. Before click on generate, you can change the style, square, shape, and whatever design you want you can do it. So I am going to make sure it will be square, then the style will be natural. So for the reason I will make sure the design will be anime. So now I can click on generate image, and then it will take a while and it will generate me my desired image over this place. So magic media is a nice option or nice element to use for AI images. So you can see we already get 4 images over here. So if you find out this image is really helpful or really amazing for you, the elegancy, if you like this, then you can use this option. And if you don't want to use this magic media, then we have further more option for using AI media. So we can make many options like in our app, like we can click on apps, and then we can search like image animate, where we can find out further more option. Like let's search for image animate, I am a image, then click or hit the search button. Once you search, you will get this option image animate. Just click over here and install this image animate on your canva.com. just click over here, open. Once you click over here, open, it will redirect you to here. So image animate basically works for make your image like video. Let's give you the example, describe your video in. So I don't have any knowledge, that's why I'm going to click on inspire me. So once I click over here, it will take a while, then it will give us some prompt over that place. So here you can see anime girl running down a street with a backpack on her back. So motion type will be AI, and AI tool will be auto, and video setting will be default. So now click on sign in to generate. So we need to be connect our Google account to this image animate option. So just click over here, continue with Google, and then it will connect our Google to our image animate. So now click on continue, and now it has been connected to our image animate. So now it will be generate. So you need at least 40 credit to generate a video. I think that we don't have any credit, so now we are not allowed to use this image animate option. So let's go further. That another apps we already have, that is speed painters. This is another great apps we can use in our Canva platform, that will be speed painter. So let's search it, and then we can see this one is speed painter. Just click over here and sign to generate. So here we need to create an account again, so that for reason we need to be click on here and then connect, and it will take a time to connect our website with our Google account, and then it will be connect that place. And you can see the procedure is literally same for every apps. You need to be connect, you need to be logging on, then they will give you the option. So I think I think the process is working for us, but we get a warning that is we don't have enough credits, so they are asking for buy more. So it's okay, if we have anything, then it will take a time and we will get the result. So we need to be wait. So finally you can see we already generate our video over here. This is a video where we can see that the video is really amazing. So if you want to add the design to our layout, then we can easily do it. Just click over here, add to design, and now eventually you can see the result over that place. So you need to be again wait for the result. So now you can check out. This video is really amazing. You can use in your video like a clipboard video or brush video. This video will be really helpful for you, and the process is really simple. And now you can do it your editing with these apps. The next apps will be name is, I'm going to search the Dream Face. This is one of the great apps I ever seen, so I am going to suggest you to use this one. So let's install it in our Canva panel, and let's see. You can see the information here: unlock creativity by turning face image into art. So we already installed it in our Canva. So right now we are not, this app must be enabled on your team admin. So this is, I'm not allowed to install this one in our Canva because my Canva is this is not my Canva, it is a free platform, so I'm not purchasing premium plan. That's why I'm not able to use this Dream Face. If you are already purchased your Canva Pro premium plan, then you are allowed to use this app. So let's go into the next app, that will be Boxy Lab, and BOXE Lab. Let's talk about this one. Just install it. And also this one is not allowed for me, but this one is really amazing. You can see it will make your AI to transfer your text description into breathtaking 3D voxel art image. So it is amazing. So although I already give you 3 platforms in this Canva option, so you can easily use those 3 apps in your Canva without any hesitation. So I think these 3 will be many things you can do. Like if you make a solid plan, then you can easily use these 3 and you can do whatever you want. Like Magic Media is one of the greatest option. Like you can see, if I search something else like university, then they will provide us awesome picture. Like we don't ever think about this kind of thing. So I think Magic Media is really amazing. This one app will establish your career if you are able to use these apps perfectly. Here you can see these images are not real, but it looks like these images are really real. So again, I will just give you some suggestion. If you are using Canva, then please explore the Canva perfectly, then you will find out further more option what I'm going to miss in this video, because in one video I am not allowed to make or watch you many more apps in this video. So you need to be explore with your own, then you will able or allowed to find out further better apps in this Canva. And you can, like, if you go into apps, and you will find out that in Canva we have bunch of apps in this way. So you need to be search or explore one by one. Like you can see anime style, image dreamer, voiceover, and further option we have. So it's totally up to you how you are going to utilize your time with Canva. You can explore it or you can leave it. It's totally up to you. So I am going to give you some pro tips, that will be: use your Magic Media, then use this text to like other AI platform I already give you. So use those and make your video more engaging for you. I hope the video is really helpful for you. If you found out this video is helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.